Greetings everybody, welcome back. Sive here with the Forex Peace Army.com. Let's update our view on the gold market. Well, here is the situation is also very similar to the euro currency, although in opposite direction. Market is quiet a bit, so today's official holiday. It's Good Friday. On Monday it will be a holiday in Europe as well. So people are preparing to have a rest to get the long holidays. At the same time, the degree of the uncertainty is really high. And it's not clear what will happen with the ground operation, whether it will start an Eastern holiday in Iran. Second is today we'll get the payrolls report. Also might be some surprising there, although ADP report was relatively positive. Payrolls recently has actually lost its correlation with the ADP, and sometimes it actually shows quite different numbers. So that's makes market be quiet, and investors also are not hurrying up with the decision making, so I think that we should join them. On the follow time frame chart, in general, the market stands at the point that we discussed yesterday, and not just yesterday, but even last week, that this area seems interesting for a possible bearish reaction down, just because we have here a solid bearish momentum, and it still stands on the market. So on the follow time frame chart, you could see that in fact currently, if you carefully will take a look, we have nothing else but Brent body in progress. So we have good thrusting action. It was not really fast, but it was very accurate, gradual, without any big pullbacks. So it is good thrusting action, retracement, and then we have the Brent body extension. So at least the 618 level should be reached with this pullback. And that's the reason why I said yesterday, don't hurry up with the decision making on a short entry. Wait for deeper levels on the intraday charts, and maybe we will get even some patterns. Currently, if we take a look at the hourly chart, what we have market almost at the 4706, which is a target of this Brent body trade. We have got steeple to pattern in progress, but I do not want to take position right now by the, well, a couple of reasons. First of all, you could see that after the market completed the OP target with this ABCD pattern, here was some acceleration, and now market stands well some consolidation. So normally, if bearish market starts to develop, it usually once the ABCD has completed the new resistance, it usually takes more aggressive action to the downside. In general, bearish market is always more aggressive than the bullish, just because the difference in emotions. So the fear is significantly stronger than the greed, and that's why the bearish markets are faster. But currently we do not see it. Market instead of that just showed minor pullback and turns to some kind of the sideways action. So theoretically on lower time frames, probably we even could identify kind of the pennant here, some consolidation near the resistance level. So that makes me think that we probably could wait a bit more and see what will happen. And from that standpoint of view, well, why not to watch over the 474 area? This might be the XOP. This will be also got a steeple to sell, but in this case we'll get significantly closer to the invalidation point of this stop. And in general, the overall situation will be very similar to what we have currently, but we will be at the much better position. Speaking about the price, entry price. First moment. Second moment, I do not want to take the position first before the payrolls, and second before the weekend. So if we will get today something really something like that actually really valuable, that actually led us to step in, that's great. We see, but guys, today's Friday and today's thin market. I'm not sure that today we will get the good entry background. So let's keep this in mind, see what will happen, and well, if it happens today, that's great. If not, then probably we will postpone our decision making on the next week. But right at this point, I do not see a lot of things to do, to be honest. So somehow, on gut feeling, I suggest that here, based on the performance that we have, it's more chances to see some upward continuation here before the weekend. So just let's keep watching.